Dear friends, welcome to all. This is Sri Kumar with you. Thank you for clicking. Today I am going to share an interesting technique called nonsense technique or non-stop technique. There are so many techniques. Some techniques suitable for some people and some for others. So you should find which technique is suitable for you. If you find such a thing, then stick on that technique for some days. Initially, your improvement will be very less. If you stick on that technique or practice that technique for some days, you can surely find noticeable change. That is an important thing. Here I am sharing nonsense technique or non-stop technique. This technique needs no prior knowledge of grammar. No need of so much vocabulary. Anyone can practice. What is non-stop and nonsense? We are not talking about anything in special, so it is nonsense technique. But we are talking continuously, so it is non-stop technique. Okay, let us see what it is. Shall we start? Yes, let us start. Just imagine a sentence. Find a suitable word from that sentence and frame a sentence. Again find a suitable word from that sentence and frame another sentence. In this way, do it at least for 1 minute. Surely you can find noticeable change in your English speaking skill. Okay, I will show you how it is. I live in Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Kerala has so many temples. Sri Padmanabha Swami temple at Thiruvananthapuram is very famous. It became famous after finding huge wealth inside. Hard work brings wealth. Then hard work. Hard work is necessary for success. A successful person should be a healthy person also. Health. Exercise is required for keeping health. Then exercise. Yoga, cycling, swimming, etc. different forms of exercise. Yoga is suitable for everyone, especially for aged person. Then age. I am not too aged to stop learning. Learning is a continuous process. Okay, dear friends? In this way, you can add so many sentences with this. If you do this for at least some days, surely you can speak very well, or you can handle English. You can handle ordinary English, no doubt. Okay, I am stopping. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and support me. Also, click the like button and give a support. This is Sri Kumar signing off. Until meet again with another interesting video.